Hey cubing gang, the Perfect Cuber here. Today we will have 5 example solves on white cross. Guys, if you also want to see a color neutral example solves, and by the way, I will also do example solves in Tagalog or in Filipino, so make sure to check it out. And I use the Maylong 3 self-magnetize. And here is the first scramble. This is my first time looking at this scramble, so if we take a look at it, here are my cross pieces, here, here, here. So this isn't a nice scramble. I can't plan my first pair. This edge will go here if I do U and L2. And this corner will also go here. My cross solution is here. U L2, then R prime, F, D, solve the orange, D prime, then R, L prime. So here is my first pair. I will insert it on the back, and I saw this and also this. In a real speed solve, I may do this first, but in this case, I think it is better to solve this red and blue edge, pair. Then go straight into solving this while looking ahead into this pair. And I saw that I have no edges oriented, so once I pair this up, I will do sledgehammer, then OLL, and A perm. Solve number 2. So this edge is bad because it is flipped. I think what I would do here is F, then solve this orange first, D prime, solve this blue, and solve this like that. And I didn't plan this in inspection, but I saw that we have a solved corner here, so I will find its edge, and it is right here, so I will do keyhole to solve this orange green pair, so like that, and D to align the cross, and I solve this pair. Then next is, I think I will not solve this in a real speed solve, but if I rotate this way, all of my edges are oriented, so that is pretty nice. I will solve this blue and orange pair first. Then this pair is easier than this pair, so I will solve it like that and solve the last pair like this. And OLL, G perm. In this third scramble, we don't have cross edge attached to the white center. So here, by the way, here are the cross pieces. What I would do here is to preserve this pair by doing F prime, then B prime, R2 to solve this orange edge, solve the rest of the cross edges like that. And but again, this is my first pair. I'm looking ahead to this two. If I solve this, then I will get diagonal slots, which is bad. I will solve this pair first, like that, and solve this pair like this. Now, I can do edge control and give myself all last layer edges oriented by doing this. F, reverse sexy move F prime, then sledgehammer. Now I got soon, and I will have my headlights on the left and J perm. Here is the port scramble, and I honestly can't track my first pair. This edge will go here, and its corner, I think it will end up right here, or I don't know. I will just execute my cross solution like this. Yeah, this pair first. And this orange and blue edge pair, and this pair like that, and this lastly these two. Now I don't know this CBLL, so I will just do OLL and RPerm. Last solve for this video, we have a very easy first pair, and which is this two, and we can preserve this pair by solving this green edge first, then solving the blue and the red. So like this. And wide U. Then insert the pair, and this pair is also got formed. Insert that. We have diagonal slots, but it is okay. We solve very easy pairs. So then I will do the red and blue, and lastly this pair. I honestly will solve it like this. Then I don't do COL now. We got Harper. Thank you guys for watching this video. Like what I said earlier, my next video is Tagalog example solves. So stay tuned for that. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. This is the Bernbeck Cuber. See you all next time.